Let's take one example on series resonance circuit. An impedance coil having a resistance of 4 ohm and an inductance of 1 millihenry connected in series with 10 microfarad capacitor. Determine resonant frequency, impedance at resonance, half power frequencies, Q of the circuit and bandwidth. Let's draw the series RLC circuit with respect to the given data. Here RLC are connected in series. The given R value is 4 ohm, inductance value L is 1 millihenry and capacitor value is 10 microfarad. We supposed to calculate resonant frequency, impedance at resonance, half power frequencies, Q of the circuit and bandwidth. First we will calculate the resonant frequency. So for series resonant circuit, resonant frequency is given by the expression F0 is equal to 1 over 2 pi square root of L into C. We will simplify this. Therefore, F0 is equal to 1 over 2 pi under root, value of L is 1 millihenry into capacitor is 10 micro. That is, we can also write it as 1 into 10 raised to minus 3, 10 into 10 raised to minus 6. Solving this, we will get F0 is equal to, I will calculate the denominator value, then I will take inverse. That is 2 pi into square root of 1 milli into 10 micro. We will take inverse of this. It gives 1591.5 hertz, or we can write it as 1.591 kilohertz. Therefore F0 is 1.591 kilohertz. So this is the resonant frequency for which the circuit will resonate. Now let us find impedance at resonance. We know that in RLC circuit, at resonance, the inductive reactance value will become the capacitive reactance, and both are having the opposite phase. Therefore those will get cancelled and net impedance of the circuit will be resistance itself. Therefore, in series RLC circuit, at resonance, impedance of the circuit Z is equal to R. Therefore, Z is equal to the value of resistance, that is nothing but 4 ohm. This is the impedance at resonance. Now let us find half power frequencies. We know that in series RLC circuit, I will show here. If we draw current versus frequency, the graph looks like this, and we know that this is resonant frequency. At resonant frequency, current in the circuit is maximum, and we know that at some frequency, say F1 and F2, the current will be I0 by root 2. That is, these two are called, F1 and F2 are known as half power frequencies, because in series RLC circuit, at half power frequencies, half of the power will be delivered to the load. Therefore these are called half power frequencies. Now let us find F1 and F2. The lower cutoff frequency, or F1, is given by F0 minus R divided by 4 pi into L. Therefore F1 is equal to is 1.591 kilo minus R value is 4 pi into L value is 1 millihenry. So we'll solve this. Solving this, we'll get F1 is equal to, that is, first I'll calculate 4 divided by 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 3. 4 pi into 1 milli inverse into 4. This value should be subtracted from 1.591 kilo. So it gives 1.272 kilohertz. 1.272 kilohertz. So this is lower cutoff frequency F1. One should remember these two formula. Now we'll calculate upper cutoff frequency F2, which is given by the formula. The same formula, here it will be plus R divided by 4 pi into L. Therefore F2 is equal to 1.591 into 10 raised to 3 plus 4 divided by 4 pi into 1 into 10 raised to minus 3. So simplifying this, F2 is equal to 4 pi into 1 milli inverse into 4 plus 1.591 kilo. It gives 1.909 kilohertz. So this is upper cutoff frequency F2. Now let's find the quality factor Q. Q can be calculated using many formula, that is omega naught L by R, or we can solve it using 1 upon omega naught CR, or we can solve it using 1 upon R under root L by C, which is Q is equal to omega naught L by R, or I can write Q is equal to 2 pi F naught into L by R, or Q is equal to 2 pi into F naught value is 1.591 kilo into L value is 1 into 10 raised to minus 3, that is 1 milli divided by 4. Therefore Q is equal to, so here 10 raised to 3 and 10 raised to minus 3 will get cancelled. So we can write 2 pi into 1.591 into 1 divided by 4. It gives 2.499. This is the value of Q. Now let's calculate the bandwidth. Bandwidth is equal to upper cutoff frequency minus lower cutoff frequency, that is F2 minus F1. Therefore bandwidth is equal to, the value of F2 is 1.909K minus 1.272K. Therefore bandwidth is given by 1.909K minus 1.272K. It gives 637 Hertz. So these are the required values for the given series resonance circuit. Thank you for watching.